Happy Tuesday, Simply Girlfriends. I just want to say thank you all so much for coming out and supporting the launch of my additional products to Simply Sarita, Sanctuary Girl, our affirmational product alignment has been added. And just as I promised, when you answered that question and posted it in the group, I had three amazing ladies follow those the challenge, and you are going to be entered in to win a free 31 large utility tote, my number one selling product. So let's see, is it going to be Regina, Ebony, or Sharon? One moment. Oops, I did that. I always do that. I gotta click the wheel, click the wheel. And the winner is Ebony. Whoa, go Ebony. I'll be in touch with you, darling. And again, ladies, remember, be blessed, be organized, but most of all, be the very best version of you. And this is your favorite go-to gift gal. Remember me when you're looking to make that special impact on those special occasions. Have a great day. Today is a good day for a good day.